This could be good for me. Lately,
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Neurals. I am so excited today. We are doing our first collab video. Shout out to Exyhair. They reached out and they sent to me their Afro Kinky bulk hair in 14 inches. They sent me 4 bundles. The bundles came in 2 packages. Each packet had 2 bundles in it for a total of 4 bundles, as I'm showing you right now. At first, I was a little anxious because I'm thinking, oh my gosh, I have such a big head with a lot of hair. Is this going to be enough for my entire head? And also, I didn't want to do a very short style, so I was panicking for a little bit. But I'm just showing you the hair, how it's stacked up together. I was trying to count how many they had, and it just wasn't working for me. I want to say it was at least 8 or 9 that they had stacked on top of each other. So the hair actually really mimics my real hair. So that was exciting. As you saw on the bag, 100% human hair. So I did wash the hair, and I'll insert a little video at some point where I washed it. But you wanna, if you want to, you don't have to, but I did. And then when doing this hair, you definitely want to separate it before you start your installment process, because you want to try not to lose hair, and this hair is very fine and it's fragile. It's kinky, but it's fragile. You don't want to lose or waste hair. So I did use my hair rack, as you can see, where I did separate them section by section. And let me also state that my style is not, I don't count it as mini twist. I think it's more medium twist. So I'm starting with fresh washed hair. I washed it the night before. I moisturized with my regular hair cream. And then I pre-parted the front, where I did 8 rows on each side. Just try to get them as equal as possible, but I don't think I actually paid attention to the number of twists that I did per row. I just went whatever felt right. This style actually took me 2 days, which typically my hairstyles don't take me 2 days, but I was tired. So I started late on Saturday. It might have been like 7 or something. And then by the time I was done with the front, I was like, I'm going to bed. So then I finished it the next day. So what you're seeing right now, I'm starting with plaiting the hair. I did 3-strand braids, and then I twist once I got, after I did maybe 3 or 4 plaits, and then I twist. But for me to get the length that I wanted, because I didn't want to just do a bob, I wanted to do a little bit below my hair, I had to add or feed in more hair in order to get that length. So that's what I'm doing right now, which is not something normally that I do. I'm not an expert. So that was definitely a learning curve, trying to make sure that it still looked uniform and for the hair to look presentable. Hopefully you know what I mean. So some people are more of an expert, so I kind of slowed it down here so you can see how I did add the hair in, and you can see it's pretty uniform. Where what I did, I basically twist one side for the hair to already be connected, and then continued twisting as I was doing normally. So I'm speeding this up for you guys, because you don't need to sit there for the amount of hours that it took for me to do it for you to watch, but I just wanted you to see the process. This hair is so light. It is, first of all, I washed it not because it smelled bad. I just washed it because, again, I trying to remove any impurities that maybe during the shipping or packing process that other people's hands touched it. So that's why I washed it, but I don't think everybody washed it when they use it. The hair is so light, it's very soft. I used my I think I showed you guys the jam. Cheers. I needed a drink. This is Jamosa. That's what I'm going to call it, Jamosa, because it's a mimosa. But I also added a little bit of gin with my champagne. And I also used mango juice. You should try it. Mango juice, champagne, and gin. It's lovely. So again, I slowed it down a little bit here for you guys to see. I start with plaiting like with 3 strands, and then I proceeded to twist. I think some people do the feeding style, like where you feed the hair you start, if you want to do the knotless. I didn't need to do that. Well, I'm not an expert in knotless, so I just did what felt comfortable for me. What else do I want to say about the hair? It is their top sellers on their website. Again, it's Afro Kinky bulk hair, and it's considered virgin hair as well. When they reached out to me, I think it took about a week for me to get the hair, so shipping wasn't really long. Again, I'm gonna link everything down below for you guys to at least look into it. I'm gonna stop talking here and just play some music, and then I'll be back with some more comments. Stay tuned.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
Okay, so we are all done. This is Sunday evening. I finished, so you can see, because again I have a big head and a lot of hair, the back is a bit bigger than the front, but it all blends together. It works out. I think the older the hair gets, the more natural and better it's going to look. So I am overall very happy with the process. So at the end, because I use the gel to twist, I have felt like the hair was feeling a little limp. So I did do the hot water. I dipped it in hot water. That's what I'm doing right now, which it activated the curls so well, guys. It was amazing. Once you put it in hot water, the curls was like, whoosh, I'm here. I tried for it not to go, like I didn't dip it all the way in the cup, so then my natural hair wouldn't be involved. So I think it was just the extension. Now I'm blow drying because I didn't want to go to bed with wet hair. So I'm just showing you guys the whole process. But I'm, I sped it forward. Oh my God. You know what I mean? And I used mousse. I don't know why I didn't show you, but I did use the Mael mousse because that's what I use for my natural hair when I do like a twist out or whatever. Or so I felt like it's human hair, why not use it? And again, it further just like sealed the curls at the end. The end is so curly. It's so pretty. This hair is fantastic, especially if you're someone you're looking to have protective style, but you cheers. You're looking to have protective styles and you don't want to do any heavy hair and you want to stick with human hair. I think this would be perfect for you. If you like this, well, first of all, are you subscribed to my page? Is this your first time watching? If it is, please subscribe. Come on, what are you waiting for? I try to have a variety of different types of hair. I do crochet, I do twist. I haven't posted me braiding my own hair, which is on my list of things to do. But, I have a fun personality. So hopefully you will subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, thank you, thank you, thank you. And please share with your friends. If you like this hair, Exyhair was kind enough to give me a code. So my friends here could get 10% off. If you go on their website, use the code NERLS 28#. That's NERLS 28 and the pound or the hashtag symbol. I'm going to have it listed soon. There you go. NERLS 28# for you to get 10% off when you go on the website. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and share. And again, let me know your thoughts. Do you like this? Are you going to try it? Thanks again. Bye. Thank you, Exyhair.